Hi, I'm Eric with First Maryland Disability Trust, and today we're breaking down Supplemental Security Income, or SSI. This is one of the most important benefits for people with disabilities, especially if they've never worked or don't qualify for Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI. Let's start with the basics. What is it? SSI is a federal needs-based program that gives a small cash benefit every month to people who are blind, disabled, or over the age of 65 and have very limited income and resources. It's run by the Social Security Administration, but it's different from SSDI. You don't need a work history to qualify. It is a last resort safety net. So, limited income, it means you have to make less than $2,019 per month in 2025. For every $2 that you earn, SSI will be reduced by $1. For assets or resources, you have to have less than $2,000 in your name. Able accounts and special needs trusts do not count as a resource. So who qualifies? Well, to qualify, you have to be a U.S. citizen or eligible non-citizen, have low income, have a few resources we already covered, and you must either be blind, disabled, or over the age of 65. What does it pay? Well, in 2025, it pays up to $967 per month or $1,450 for a couple. Now, that is reduced if both people who are married are getting SSI. It's called uh, it's a, they call it the marriage tax. It's a penalty if two people with SSI get married. In some states, you will get an extra amount called a state supplement. However, it's pretty often most people don't get the full amount, and we're going to talk about why in future videos. When you spend it, it's meant for basic needs: housing, food, clothing, medical care. $967 is not a lot of money. It's not going to be paying for everything that you wanted to pay for. And this is where having a special needs trust or an ABLE account can help by providing additional funds for more than your basic needs. Things that you might want to do, or things that medical care and dental care can be very expensive. SSI may not be enough. So in the future videos, we're going to be talking about how to apply for SSI and what to include. This was the basics. SSI is a lifeline, and it's also confusing. That's why we're breaking it down into bite-sized pieces. In future videos, I'm going to share what to include when you apply so you don't miss key details that could delay or hurt your chances. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. And if this helped you, please share it with someone else who might benefit.